Hello everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Hunter. I'm Sophia.
And I'm Frank. It's great to see you all again.
How are you today, Frank?
I'm good, Sophia, but I'm a little hungry today.
Frank, you are always hungry.
I think I am always thinking about food and coffee.
That's true. And today, your wish is perfect.
Oh, really? Why?
Because today, we are learning how to order food in English.
Wow, that is very useful.
Yes, many English learners feel nervous in restaurants.
They know what they want to eat, but they don't know what to say in English.
Don't worry. Today, we will practice slowly, step by step.
And by the end of this lesson, you will feel confident in any restaurant.
But before we start, please like this video.
And subscribe to Mr. English Hunter.
And share this video with your friends.
And tell us in the comments, what is your favorite food?
Mine is juice and salad.
Mine is coffee and chicken sandwich.
Of course it is. Okay, Frank. Imagine we are going to a restaurant.
Okay, I am ready.
We open the door and enter. Hello, welcome to our restaurant.
What should I say?
Very easy. First sentence.
Okay. Let's practice. Table for two, please.
Again, slowly. Table for two, please.
That is simple and polite.
Yes, very natural English.
Okay, we are sitting now.
Yes, the waiter gives us a table. Please follow me.
Thank you.
Very good.
What next?
Now we sit and get the menu. Here is your menu.
Thank you very much.
Perfect.
Sophia, I see many foods here.
Yes, restaurants always have many options.
I feel confused.
Don't worry, we will learn that too. If you don't know what to choose, you can ask, "What do you recommend?"
Oh, nice sentence.
Let's repeat. What do you recommend?
One more time. What do you recommend?
This is very useful in real life.
Yes, because sometimes menus are very big.
Exactly. What would you like to drink? Frank!
Oh, easy. I know this. I would like a coffee, please.
Very good.
And you?
I would like orange juice, please.
Perfect.
Let's repeat slowly. I would like orange juice, please.
Simple and powerful sentences.
Now the big part, ordering food. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am.
Very natural answer.
What can I say next?
I would like the chicken sandwich, please.
Okay, I try. I would like the chicken sandwich, please.
Perfect.
Can I also say pizza?
Yes.
I would like pizza, please.
Very good. Let's learn more sentences. Can I have a burger, please?
Can I have a burger, please?
Good. Can I have a salad, please?
Can I have a salad, please?
Excellent. Can I have some soup, please?
Can I have some soup, please?
Very nice.
Sophia, what if I don't understand the menu?
Good question. You can ask, "What is this?"
Simple.
Yes. Or, "What is in this dish?"
Let's repeat. What is in this dish?
Perfect. Important sentence. Food allergy.
Yes, very important.
You can say, "Does this contain nuts?"
Does this contain nuts?
Good. Does this contain milk?
Does this contain milk?
Excellent. Here is your food.
Thank you.
Let's react.
This looks amazing.
Yes.
The smell is so good.
Yes, food smells always make us happy.
Let's eat.
If food is good, you can say,
This is delicious.
this is delicious. Again, this is delicious.
Very useful sentence.
Now we finish eating.
I am full.
The waiter comes. Would you like anything else?
No, thank you.
Perfect English.
Now the bill is coming.
Yes, you can say, can I have the bill, please?
Can I have the bill, please?
Very important sentence. Full restaurant practice. Saying, hello, welcome.
Table for two, please.
Say, here is your table. What would you like?
I would like a coffee, please.
Say, and food?
I would like a chicken sandwich, please.
Say, enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Great, Frank. Now let's give real tips.
Yes, please.
Tip 1. Speak slowly.
Yes, don't rush.
Tip 2. Use simple sentences.
Like, I would like.
Tip 3. Be polite.
Always say please and thank you. Sophia, I feel more confident now.
That is the goal.
I think I can go to a restaurant now,
Yes, you can.
even in another country.
Yes, English works everywhere. Today we learned how to order food in English.
We learned many useful sentences.
Table for two, please.
I would like a coffee, please.
Can I have a salad, please?
Can I have the bill, please?
Now you are ready for real restaurants.
Just practice a little every day.
Small steps, big improvement.
And don't forget, mistakes are normal.
Yes, keep trying.
Keep learning.
Keep smiling. Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next lesson on Mr. English Hunter.
Bye, everyone. See you again on Mr. English Hunter.